beat it. So, Ducky, let me play with you. You can play with your food before you bite it. You can toy with your tongue for the crunch. You can play with your food, why fight it? It's a crazy little game called lunch. I think my thoughts.
Our sort's best. Out there, someone's gonna love ya. Someone's gonna love ya. Warts and all. Out there, just around. Warts and all.
Check out Fast Ball.